Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Saluto Uba, and I'm the founder of the Uba Law Group. And I just want to hit you guys with a quick video as we're coming to the end of the year. I want to warn you guys about something that's happening now and will definitely be happening in 2021 with a lot of your businesses. And so what I'm talking about are collaborations, or as I like to say in a legal sense, partnerships, in general partnerships at that. What I have is a warning for what a lot of us might be doing that could be putting us in danger. Okay, so let's get right into it. So what is a general partnership? Simply put, a general partnership is when two parties come together to do business. So you can either have a formal agreement, you two can sit down and draft out a contract or a partnership agreement where you lay out what the terms of your partnership are going to be, or a general partnership can be created informally, where even if you don't lay anything out, even if you have no contract, just by the pattern of your behavior, how y'all are doing business, someone can conclude that, hey, you guys are in business together, it's a general partnership. Now, why is that scary? I come from a real estate investing background. I have a real estate investing business. I know a lot of people that do real estate. I know a lot of different entrepreneurs who are working together. Sometimes folks will call it a joint venture. But in a lot of these situations, that's really a general partnership. And the danger of general partnerships is what I like to call double exposure. So double exposure means that if you do something wrong, or if your partner does something wrong, the person who's been injured by you can sue either party. So let's just say, for example, you start a business with a partner. Y'all are reselling PlayStation 5s. You got the plug on the PS5, you're making the deals and you're sourcing the product, and then your partner is delivering it and collecting the money. So say you get a deal, and then your partner goes to deliver the PS5 and collect the money. And on his way to do that, he crashes into somebody, crashes into a random person, and their car is totaled. They have medical injuries, and they have a lawsuit against you for $500,000, $500,000. So what can happen is that person can go after the individual that crashed into them, or they can go after you as the business partner, because you guys were working together under a general partnership. You guys were working together to pursue a business end. So with the general partnership, if there's an injury, if there's damages of whatever sort, they don't have to only pursue the person who actually did it to them. If you guys are in business together and their injury happened while y'all were pursuing your business venture, they can go after either party. That's why I call it double exposure. And now I use the term double, but the reality is, if you have a business venture where you have multiple people, there's 5 of y'all working together to sell PS5s, or, you have a business doing something else, whether you have a formal partnership agreement or you don't. In a general partnership, you can pursue anybody that injured you. You can pursue anybody in the business, even if one person injured you. That's why I say these things are very dangerous. That's why they're one of my least favorite business entity formations. And I'm making this video because I know a lot of folks out there who are, unbeknownst to them, in the middle of a general partnership or a joint venture. Now, what can you do? What would I recommend to avoid this? First of all, at a minimum, you need to create a business entity for yourself if you are doing business. You don't want to be caught exposed. You don't want to be caught under personal liability. You want to at least have an LLC set up so you have limited liability and liability protection there. So that's off. That's first of all. So if you are going to do it, have an LLC. But if you're going to enter into a joint venture agreement, make sure that it's with your LLC and not you personally. Preferably, you would create a specific, LLC, or maybe a specific business arrangement to conduct a business that limits and lays out liability and protects yourself there. But at a minimum, make sure you're not doing business as a sole prop if you're open to liability. Protect yourself there. And in general, I would just stay away from general partnerships. Make sure that you construct something that will actually keep you protected. There's fees up front, there's costs, obviously, but it's a whole lot better for you to have, something that unfortunately happens and it's just your business that's at fault, as opposed to, any one of a number of business partners could accidentally do something and everybody be exposed. So just think about that. I know as we're ending the year, we have some partnerships that we're trying to form. We have collaborations that we're setting up for next year. Just be mindful of that. Set up strong, finish strong, and make sure that you're protected. So until then, Keep on grinding, keep on hustling. If you haven't already, follow me on YouTube and all my other social media platforms. But never forget, Mondays mean business. Peace.